Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we will talk about xampp installation. So in this video I will show you how you can actually install xampp. So here you can see I have downloaded xampp from the server. So you just have to go to the browser and you just have to search for xampp. Okay, and then you have to just click on xampp here, download xampp, and then this one. Okay, the latest one. I have downloaded this. Now you just have to double click on it. We just have to click on next, and now we have to select the folder. So I have different drive for this. So this is web development, so I will click here. That's it. If I click on next, okay, please select different folder. So I have to just write here xampp, xampp, next, and next. Now it will start installing. So when the installing will be complete, I will be back. For now, actually I want to pause the video. Welcome back. So as you can see, installation is almost done. We just have to allow access. So yes, and our installation is done. So it says that, do you want to start the control panel now? Okay, yes, check it and then finish. So why basically xampp here? So xampp act as localhost server. For the PHP, we need a server, right? So that time actually we use xampp here. We need to do, or we need to set up PHP path, PHP variable in our PC, and this is a long process, and it's quite tough also. So actually xampp make it easy for us. So they come up with the solution. We just have to click on start here, that the Apache. So it will actually start the Apache server, localhost, so we can actually run PHP in our browser. Okay, and we can also create database, and here you can see they have also offering us MySQL service. So you just have to start both to actually use them both, and yes, allow access. Okay, now I have actually installed it in the web development driver. So here you can see I have xampp folder here. Just double click on it and just go to the htdocs. So basically the folder actually we needed, that is htdocs. If you want to keep any project in the server, you have to keep it inside htdocs. So here if I delete them, no problem, I can create a new folder for the new project. Let's say test PHP, and inside it we can write anything. So I need a code editor, and for me that is Atom, and we just have to copy, drag and drop it here. So this is our project. Now I can create here new file. So let me create here new file. I will say here home.php. so every actually PHP element start with .php, right? So here we just have to enter, and now I will write code for the PHP. Let me zoom it. So I will say here HTML, listen, and here I will say it's working. Okay, and if I go to the browser, I just have to say here localhost, because our server is localhost / our project name is test PHP, right? So I will say here test PHP, and if I enter, you can see it's working. So this is how you can install xampp. So I hope this video is helpful for you. So thanks for watching. Make sure to give a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.